This 2022 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 297 QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, microwave, water heater, awning, spare tire kit, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, LP detector, skylight, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 297 QB is 7,190 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.